Yeah. Are you okay? Are you okay? No. What's wrong? Oh, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to. You never know, do you? What does a crocodile do? It was so cool this morning. Right, Mum and Cat. Yeah, and look at it, it's changed. Ready? I can't get up now. Oh, Martin. Siobhan. Martin, will you stop? Just go over to the bed. Go over and give Marty a slap. Tell him stop. Stop. Tell him. He's cold. He's thinking about hitting me on the backside. On your bum bum. Now you get him on.
Get Mary. Get Mary.
Catch me.
Catch Mary. Quick.
Oops, be careful. Be careful now. Up you get. Come on, Tom. Dylan, go on. Off you go and catch Mary. Quick, run after her. Quick, she's going in behind the trees. Go on, quickly. And he's like he's being wound up.